If you see an assignment or activity in Google Classroom that involves using Onshape, you should also receive an email that will allow you to start that assignment, similar to the one I'm showing you here. It'll be from Onshape, and it will be something like John Reed assigned you a new assignment. If you click there, and then click on View Assignment, it'll take you into the Onshape environment, and then when you click Start Assignment, in this particular assignment, it will create a document for you, and that document has isometrics A through H already made for you, and we're going to focus on making the dimension drawings for these parts. You might also notice down here it says Cal High A-millimeter and Cal High A-inch. Just ignore these two tabs. I would hide them if I could, but these are the templates that we're going to use to make our drawings. A template is, think of it as a piece of paper that has some formatting already created for it that will allow us to make a nice dimension drawing. So let's get to that right now. If I go to isometric A, there's a number of ways I could start a drawing. I could hit the plus sign and create a drawing right here. I like to right click on the part, and right in the middle it says create drawing of isometric A. So I'm going to click there, and it pops up and asks me to choose the template that I was referring to earlier. And you should choose one of these two. Actually, how about created by me? There we go. So there should be, you won't see this many, but the first time you use it, you may have to hit created by me, and then it'll be on the regular screen going forward. So for this one, we're in millimeters, and a size A paper is a 8.5 by 11 piece paper. We want to use that today. So you click on that template, and then otherwise take the defaults and click OK. And it's going to open up a piece of paper, so to speak, and you're going to place your views here. Now it defaults to the front view, and in our particular case, the front view is the one that we want, and it'll scale it to what it thinks is correct to fit on the paper. Let's go ahead and take those default scalings. So I'm going to left click here, place the front view, pull over to the right, click again and release. That's my right view. Then you have to click on the front, go back there and pull up. That'll be our top view. Click again and go up to the upper right and click there, and then hit escape. And we have our views. So generally we want to show the shaded view on our isometric, and we want to show the hidden lines in general on each of the orthographic views. So I'm going to right click on each one of these and show hidden lines, and you can see that right here we have that hidden line because this little edge back here will appear as a hidden line when I view it from the right. So let's go here, and we're ready to go, and I'm going to demonstrate for this one. Let's come up here to the dimension tool, or press D, click there, and then I'm going to click here and click again. So that's 40 millimeters, and then I'm going to click here and here and go 70, click here and go 90. And notice that I've left this dimension here off because I know what that is. It's 90 minus 70. So dimensioning is a little bit like an art, and it's very prescriptive, which there are certain ways to do it, and I'd like for you to do this part that way on the front view. And there's another dimension we could have here, this dimension here. That's 30. What else can we dimension? Well, how about the whole distance, the whole height? Let's dimension that on the right, like so. And what's left to dimension? Maybe the features on the depth. So we can go here, and then we can go the full depth. That isn't specified yet. So let's see, how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I think that's the correct number to have on there. And you can see that every feature is defined, and we've kind of spread the dimensions out among the 3 different views, and the isometric view is there just for our understanding, and I think that one should be okay. So that is a dimension drawing, and you'll notice that this is called a title block down here, and it's populated automatically with your name, the date, the name of the drawing. So it just takes the name of the part and tacks on drawing 1. There's the part name. The scale is 1 to 2, so it's made a little smaller, I think, or bigger. I can't remember which way that goes. And the sheet size is A, so it's an 8.5 by 11 sheet. And that pretty much is what you want to have for the drawing of isometric A. For now, I think I'll stop here, and we'll move on to the other parts in a subsequent video.